Solar Christmas String Lights. 2 packs 505,150 LED Solar Christmas Fairy Lights. 8 modes waterproof outdoor fairy lights for Xmas tree, garden, yard party. Outdoor Christmas decorations, warm white. Solar energy supply, no extra utility electric cost. And no need to replace the battery. Light sensor controls the solar string lights charging on and off at daytime and auto on at dark. 2 switches and 8 different modes. This solar fairy lights have on/off button and mode button. Press mode button selects 8 different modes to satisfy your diverse needs. Gorgeous lighting modes including combination. Fireflies flashing, waves, fading, chasing, flashing, fading slowly, twinkle, flashing and steady on. Waterproof IP65 and memory function. Built-in memory chip save your last mode setting and no need to reset mode every time.